Welcome to Digital AMN's Business Insights, our web series on business development, capital raising, equity crowdfunding, marketing, and much more. In this video, we'll discuss what equity crowdfunding is and how it can help everyday Americans grow their wealth. Investors old and new, who are looking for alternative ways to grow their wealth, should have limitless opportunities with equity crowdfunding. Equity crowdfunding offers big and small investors an accessible way to own equity in high-growth startups. One of the best parts of it is that equity crowdfunding is easy to dive into, even for new investors. Equity crowdfunding is a savvy alternative to investing in the stock market. There was a time where only accredited investors, the wealthy, and the well-connected, were allowed to invest. Equity crowdfunding changed this for investors just a few years ago. Today, the average person can invest in a young company and receive a slice of ownership before it goes public, while it's still affordable. The average crowdfunding investor is between 24 and 35 years old and tends to invest around $1,000 per deal. These investors are mostly part of the 300 million non-accredited investors in the U.S. They are everyday Americans who are typically excluded from early Wall Street opportunities. Equity crowdfunding isn't for Robinhood or stock market investors that are looking for get-rich-quick day trading alternatives. Equity crowdfunding serves as an attractive stable alternative from the volatile public markets. This can serve as a starting point for investors looking to secure ownership in startups, support small businesses, and build generational wealth. Many do it beyond just building wealth, as funding startups via equity crowdfunding is an investment in your community as well. It is a proven jobs engine, which is critical for economic recovery. Did you know that 67% of each dollar spent at a small business stays in the local community? Successful crowdfunding companies create and support a total of 54 direct and indirect jobs, on average. Robinhood and Wall Street don't typically boast those stats. You know you are in good hands, because all equity crowdfunding happens via federally regulated online portals, such as TrueCrowd.com or Fundana.com. As these platforms are fully digital, you can start investing from the comfort of your own home, for as low as $10. Equity crowdfunding is relatively new to the U.S. consumer, as it was only enacted in 2016, through Title III of the 2012 Jobs Act's regulation crowdfunding. The Jobs Act was designed to jumpstart the economy after the 2008 recession. Last year, equity crowdfunding was leaned on heavily amid the pandemic to get money to small businesses lacking PPP. Projections for equity crowdfunding are even bigger this year. If you're curious to learn more about investing in equity crowdfunding, visit digitalamn.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications for new videos.